Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting inside the TikTok app. Open your profile now and confirm you're on the right account. Once you tap the three-line menu at the top right, choose Settings and Privacy. Make sure to scroll and look for the Privacy section. This is where search and activity controls live. If you don't see settings, update the app and reopen. You're initiating the change now so you can control what TikTok stores about your searches. Once in Privacy, find the Search History or Personalization and Data subsection. Different versions label it slightly differently. Tap into Search History to view recent queries and the Clear History button. Use Clear to remove existing entries. Then locate the toggle that permits saving or personalizing your searches and switch it off so future queries aren't stored. Make sure to confirm any pop-ups that ask if you're sure. You're almost done. Double-check that the toggles are off and the history list is empty. Once done, close and restart TikTok to ensure the change sticks. If you still see saved searches, go back to Settings and Privacy and repeat Clear History. Sometimes permissions or cached data require a second pass. Make sure to update the app. If problems continue, reinstalling will reset corrupted settings. If permissions to save data persist, review connected account settings or device-level privacy controls.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.